This vegetable soup, Mother made for our family many, many, many times.
So my recollection of when you were telling me about this was kind of a common thing during the Great Depression because the ingredients were all simple and quite cheap.
Right.
And you could make a lot of it and it would go a long way.
Yes. And everybody loved it.
Mm-hmm.
And once in a while we'd say, oh, we haven't had this soup for a long time. Let's make it. So that's why I typed this and gave it to you, I guess.
Yeah, I've made it a lot over the years. And sometimes I don't put any meat in and I just replace the volume with more vegetables. I think with all of your food sensitivities, this version might be a little spicy for you.
Yeah, it is. But I've made copies of this recipe and given it to various not church members, but family members. And Richard's wife, Jill, loved this recipe.
I love it. I can't imagine somebody not liking it.
Yeah.
I look forward to the change of seasons when it's time to bring out the
soup.
soup recipe.
So that